In a cozy room bathed in sunlight's gleam, James and Emily, their love in a dream. Restless and nervous, he paces the floor, hiding emotions he can't hold anymore. Emily, he whispers, his voice filled with fear, I must leave for a mission, my duty draws near. Her eyes wide with worry, she pleads him not to go. But duty and honor, they both surely know. With a trembling voice, he promises to return. To honor their love, no matter how they yearn. She says yes through her tears, 1,000 times over. Their love, their bond, an unbreakable cover. Amidst their embrace, a military vehicle awaits. The weight of separation, their hearts hesitate. Yet they part with a final kiss, a love so sincere. Knowing their bond will endure, no matter how severe. In her dimly lit room, Emily finds solace, a pen in her hand, she writes with a purpose. She shares her secret, her burden, her strife, her love for James, and the gift of new life. A promise she made, to stand by his side, to marry him, despite the distance so wide. The road ahead may be filled with despair, but she holds on to hope, their love she'll declare. Through the darkest of nights, Emily waits, her love for James, it never abates. She holds on to hope, with a strength so true, that he'll return to her, their love they'll renew. Tomorrow's promise, uncertain but strong, love's resilience, it will carry them along. No matter the distance, the challenges they face, their love will endure, in every time and space.